Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone low sound. So guys, if you have this type of problem when you play anything on your iPhone and facing the issue that sound is very low, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after opening your settings you need to scroll it down, and guys, here is the option of sounds and haptics. You need to click on this, and guys, first of all you need to check your volume. So guys, simply you need to increase your volume from here, and guys, after increasing you need to scroll it down, and guys, here is the option that is log sound. So guys, simply you need to turn off this. So guys, if turn on, then guys you need to turn off it, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, so guys, maybe this is any update problem in your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on general, and guys, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys, after doing update to latest version, then all the problems will be fixed that you are facing on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, so guys, maybe the speakers of your iPhone has been damaged physically. So guys, you need to check that. So guys, if damaged, then guys, you need to change your speakers or from any expert mechanic, and guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.